Do we really understand what we mean by inclusion at work? Why is sometimes difficult for people such as women, LGBTQ+, disabled, or people of colour to feel fully included in the workplace? Inclusion is a fragile concept, often contested and ever-changing. However, we talk more about diversity and less about inclusion, as if a diverse work environment would correspond directly to an inclusive one. In my inaugural lecture, I will present my research on inclusion, diversity, and inequalities in the workplace, and provide opportunities to explore and challenge definitions and practices of inclusion. I hope you will join me.